In this video, you will learn how to create a talking avatar like this. First, go to ChatGPT, then type this prompt. Also, you can customize the talking character as you want. Type here what type of design you want. Now copy it from here and go to the ideogram.ai website. Paste here the text. Select 3D. Keep it 16 by 9. Then click generate. Now select the character you like and download it. Again go to pixabay.com and type Moon plus green and search. Then download the video clip you want. Also you can go to Google or YouTube and search green screen character mouth video. Then you will get a lot of video clips. Again go to cleanup.pictures website. Upload the image. Continue with HD. Zoom in the image and select the lips area only. Then download it. Now open CapCut. Create new project. Import the image and green screen video. Drag and drop the image here. Also the green screen. Increase the image size. Select the green screen clip. Go to video, remove BG and chroma key. Select this icon and remove the green screen. Take the intensity to remove the color perfectly. Now set the lips perfectly with your talking character. Then finally here is the result. Click export. And check again the result here.